I
in your
would say
experience?
lately it's definitely, I've seen definitely an uptick in chronic fatigue for sure. And oftentimes they're not really even aware that
What
it's
it
there,
is.
or
Yeah.
what it exactly
Mhm.
what it is, or that they're experiencing it, because
Mhm.
we sort of become okay with it.
Numb, and it becomes part of our routine, and yeah. Mhm. Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. So
Yeah.
definitely a chronic fatigue, and also chronic pain. Chronic pain. Yeah, chronic pain is a big one. And most of the time patients have come in, they've done, if they tried medications or injections or physical therapy, sometimes they've even gone the surgical route and they're still having pain. And again, I'm not saying that acupuncture is going to cure their pain 100%,
Mhm.
but we can really get them to a point where they're experiencing